quick video here today on Ttoo Biosystems, obviously a stock that I've been covering pretty extensively here on the channel. It is sitting at 32 cents now at the time of this video. TTOO is the ticker symbol. We look at 131 million in trading volume. The average trading volume continues to kind of climb as it's really been trading a ton over the last 10 days or so, over the 10 trading days. Sixth most heavily traded stock in the market today. Down a little bit. I don't think it's going to reach its average, or it's obviously going to clear its average, but it's not close to what it had kind of been seeing over the last 5 or 6 days or trading days or so. Again, tomorrow's Friday, so we do get the market closed tomorrow. But yeah, Ttoo Biosystems, you guys, super interesting stock here. I think a lot of people trying to get a position or continuing to DCA, kind of get in, add to their position. If we take a look at the chart here really quickly over the last 5 days for TTO, at some point yesterday, TTO climbed up to 0.37 and has now consolidated a little bit today. But I wanted to just make this video to go over this Investor Place article. I'm gonna put a link to this description, to the article in the description below. But it's funny because, you know, we've obviously covered Muln a ton on this channel, and this article is Ttoo Biosystems stock is becoming the next Muln. Another immune stock emerges, and not in a good way. Now, obviously, this is opinion-oriented article here, things like that. And I definitely think between Ttoo Biosystems and Muln, Ttoo is definitely a safer play, and definitely one that I think is just overall better play without question. Obviously, any stock that is under $1, any stock under $5 to me is a volatile play regardless. But we talk about Ttoo Biosystems and the looming potential of the FDA approval. Right, they're looming. Obviously, the FDA approval for Ttoo Biosystems is the biggest catalyst for its rise moving forward. But I think you can see here, Ttoo Biosystems, however, has a funding problem that's quickly turning into the next Muln Automotive, an electric vehicle startup that burned through millions of retailer investor cash, significant operational hurdles, and further hinders its prospects. Investors can still make money speculating on Ttoo's volatile stock and options. But you can see here, but the long run outcome of these highly dilutive, cash-hungry companies is often the same: a failing stock that eventually loses it all. Now, I made a video yesterday kind of explaining the bullish outlook for Ttoo Biosystems, as it wasn't that long ago. We take a look here, just the last year to date, or let's look at the last year. I mean, it wasn't that long ago here where Ttoo Biosystems was, trading at $11, $12. Even back here in September of last year, was trading at $6.25. So I mean, it wasn't that long ago that it was numerous X's from this current price. But you can see here, it's official. You can see here, Ttoo Biosystems shares some surprising similarities with Muln Automotive, an EV startup that went public in 2021 in a reverse merger. Both firms had good starts. T2's management announced a similarly exciting news about the T2 DX and the T2 Candida panel soon after going public. Both firms proved to be a disaster for investors. Muln stock has lost 99.97 of its original value, while TTO has lost 99.94 of its value. On Muln's part, many blame the EV startup's operational ineffectiveness, which, I mean, obviously, if you watch any video I've made on Muln, you make sense of that. Ttoo Biosystems is also plagued by operational issues. Its T2 magnetic resonance platform has been authorized by the FDA since 2014, and its T2 Lyme detection system has been in development since that same year. Both have been disappointments. The former generates only $10 million annual revenues, and the latter is still undergoing development. Analysts believe Ttoo Biosystems will remain unprofitable until at least fiscal of 2026. So that doesn't necessarily mean we can't see Ttoo Biosystems go back up to above $1. I do also want to reiterate that just this article in general is an opinion-based article. Obviously, if you're bullish on Ttoo Biosystems, you'll probably pay that no mind. But I do like some things, and I do like some upcoming catalysts. Obviously, the FDA approval with T2. Again, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about it. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.